Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Today I took a couple of special treats that really didn't do shit for me. I mean, I was kind of hyped and I wasn't, but you know, we'll see how that goes. Stay tuned, look for this tutorial because I really, as you can see, I killed it. There's not much to say. That just is what it is, what I did. As you can see, you know you want to stay tuned and keep watching because, yeah. Period, keep watching. Hi beautiful. Hey, it's like now I need some water. I'm really mad that I just started this now. I need some water, but like my throat is telling me I need some water, so like I'm gonna get some water. Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. I have my water now. I didn't even get a sip even though I really needed it, and let me get that. Yeah. Do y'all love bottled water? Like, do y'all love water? I have to know. I love water. Today, I'm going to be eating a cookie and maybe a couple gummies and do my makeup. I mean, you feel me, right? So, I mean, it's probably gonna be the title, but I think I can leave it in the title about the video for like YouTube guidelines. So, I think I can eat it. I'm gonna record me eating it. Or like a bite of it, but I'm gonna eat the whole thing. Like, okay, I ate half of this cookie a while ago, but I'm like, you know, you smoke a lot, you smoke your first blunt, you're like, yeah, I'm cool, but like you can be higher. That's how I feel right now. So I have my other half of my cookie. I'm gonna eat that. I do tell you this while I'm eating it. I have to do my brows now. If I don't do my brows right now before everything happens, my brows are gonna look terrible. The whole thing's gonna take forever. So as soon as I eat this, finish up my brows. Right now, it's 11:25. I'm bored. I just made this robe. That's what I want to start out with the video. Oh my god, my brain. I want to tell y'all that I made this robe. Y'all notice this robe is in like every single one of my videos. I just did a little, that splat. Don't worry about it.
They be like, hey Brandon, what you got on? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. That splat.
That splat. So, I made this. Made me feel classy. I thought, gotta do a makeup. Gotta take some pictures, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm not sure exactly how that's gonna work, but I trust myself and figure it out. I'm gonna have a gummy, and as soon as I'm done chewing it, brows. I'm gonna have some new items in this video. We do makeup over here. Now that we've done our things, let's get started on these brows. I went to Target. Walked past the makeup aisle, told myself I wasn't gonna get anything, and then I did get stuff, and now here we are. This is the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil in the shade Deep Brown. Oh my god. I don't know if I'm tripping, but I feel like something's already happening. I think it's because I'm talking now. Maybe the last one kicked in. I don't know how it's gonna go. Not me being a minute in, so I don't know how this is gonna go. Can this get out the box? Fuck. I should do my brows. I should do my brows before this. I gotta hurry up. I have gel in my eyebrows, so I gotta get that out real quick. So that's what these flakes are. I put Ego Styler in my brows. I feel like it helps them stand up. I wanna like laminate my brows. Leah's face just laminated her brows herself at home. Looks good. I might do it too because I like my brows like in the up position. Yeah, I'm gonna speed through me doing my eyebrows and then come back and we can do a look. My goal right now, if I don't get too high, hopefully is to do a pink eyeshadow so I can match this, take cute pictures. Oh fuck. Brows. Damn, I started doing my brow like my camera's not finna die. This is crazy. I'm gonna just go ahead and finish my brows off camera so my cat. Damn, I'm finna be high as fuck. I'm gonna go ahead and charge my camera so I can do my brows and then we can do both and hopefully I can meet up and there's some charge left in there. So I'm gonna see what I can do. I'll see you back in 2 seconds, so hopefully my brows will be done and maybe even my face depending on how much I feel like I need to do, and maybe I can just do my eyes on camera. I don't know. So many choices. We can do so many different things. Figure out. We're gonna pick which works. We're gonna pick which works best. Shut up. Okay, so things are a little different now. I did my hair, I curled it and then put some flexi brows in it and did my eyebrows so I can give my battery time to charge. So hopefully we have a little time to do our face. As of right now, I'm like cool. I wasn't feeling it that much, so I ate another gummy. But I don't know, if I'm still not feeling it, like after I do my eyes, then we'll eat some more. For my eyes, I'm just gonna take a new concealer. How y'all feel about that? I have a new product. I have a new product. I got this e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer. I heard a lot of e.l.f. products are good right now, so I got this and the putty primer that we're going to use on our face. I was hoping this was going to be a little light for me because I think this is going to be light. I've been really wanting a bright under eye lately. Like just like the right here part. I've been feeling like it's going to look really good on me, so I'm excited to see how that's going to look. But I am going to mix it with the one I have been using, the LA Colors Honey, because I think this is going to be a tad bright. But I do want to use this to prime my eye for my eye makeup. Yeah, this is light. I think this is what the makeup girls be doing. I've never done this before. I'm just taking chances right now. I'm not going to set that. I'm going to use my Take Me to Brazil palette and this bright pink down here. And we're just going to get to piling that on. It's going to be just a pink shadow look. Ooh, here's a brighter one actually. Yes, we're going to use this one instead. I didn't even see this. This is perfect. I feel like I'm going to get really into this. I don't even think I'm going to be interesting right now. I think I'm just going to be like really into doing my makeup. Because I have ADHD and shit. I be so focused. And this brush is the LA Colors brush. That's all I know. That was so disappointing. I'm so sorry. Well, I just changed mirrors in this eye. This mirror was just so much brighter. It was pleasant. Anytime I say something's pleasant and I'm fried, I so mean it. Like, wow, that's nice. Got my pink down. I'm gonna set the outer edges. I learned this trick from Savannah Silver on YouTube. What she does is she sets her concealer after she does her base color for her look. So then when she blends it blends out smoothly, but the color stays on. So I'm going to do her trick right now and see if it works for me. I'm going to use this Morphe M441 brush to just start blending it out. I'm really into this. I really love doing my makeup. I have nothing to say. I guess this is like chill. I'm going to find my chillest instrumental that I would use. I'm going to play that in the background. I'm going to do my makeup. Cause that's how I feel. I'm really doing pink eyeshadow right now. I haven't done nothing like this in so long. This is so crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and start packing more color on the lid because it kind of went away as I was blending. Don't you feel girly? I'm having a good girls night. I'm like not even high. Hold up, because I feel like they're calling me a punk. So I'm finna finish off these 2 gummies and hopefully I end up regretting this. Let me dust off this powder under here. You're like, why aren't you using a big brush? Because I didn't feel like looking for one, okay? Shit. I did not prime. No, I bought primer. No. I take it back. Now it's time to grab the napkin. I take it back. That's what I get for not getting it in the first place. Because I fucked up. I fucked up. I got this e.l.f. Luminous Putty Primer. Heard this was like the Tatcha one, I think it is. The $60 one. It's just like it, I heard. I want to know what's up with it. Open! Shit. Okay, this is what it looks like. Guess I'll just use my fingers. That's a lot. I grabbed too much. Hold up. It feels so nice on my skin. Hold up. Oh, it felt so like sponsored to say, but like no, that's genuinely how I felt about that in that moment. Wow, this is like refreshing. It's like a moisturizer feel. It makes me keep wanting to put more on. Like, this is crazy. I've never felt the need to prime that much. I feel like I look so glowy now. Oh my god, I've never felt so positive about a product. Oh my god, I'm really selling this right now. Shit. But y'all know y'all see me glowing. I love this. This looks like when I put on sunscreen in the morning. Love this. $8. I just accidentally hit it with my cap, so now I gotta put more on my face. It's not, I'm sorry, I didn't make the rules, I just followed them. Okay, that was, let's say it again. That was the e.l.f. Luminous Putty Primer. I don't even know how my foundation gonna look on top of this, but I already know. I feel like it's gonna look good. Let's do a dab over it. Wow. Amazing. Kind of like a dewy look. This is like such a nice base. I'm gonna use my LA Colors Ultimate Cover Concealer, but not a lot of it because I am gonna add the other lighter one as well. I say not a lot of it as I proceed to put a whole bunch of it. I suck. Oh my god, I feel like I've been waiting for this moment, and I forgot I was waiting for this moment while I was doing this, but now the moment has arrived. The moment is here, bitch. Look what I got. Shit. Hold on. Okay, or not. No dramatic introduction for this fan. But y'all, I got a fan. And I was really excited about it. So I could do this for my concealer. I know you're living. I know you are. Don't act like you're not. Because you are. You're living for it. Even though I can't seem to hold it right. It's like half of a fan. Why is it half of a fan? I got it from the dollar store. I guess I really can't complain. I'm just a little confused. I think this is helping dry down my concealer. I don't know. I see people do. I see Jackie holds up a fan to her makeup. Amanda does it. I feel like I just want to be like the cool kids. So that's what we're doing. My eyeshadow looks so good. I can't wait to see what these pictures look like. I'm gonna start blending that in. I don't know if that was long enough, but it was long enough for me. You feel me? I actually know. Oh my god. Wow. I feel like I've never done makeup before, and I'm just learning all this new shit, and we're just learning together, and we're just learning together all these new things that I didn't know I could do. Ain't this crazy, y'all? Use that camo concealer. I'm gonna use it over top of the, yeah, that's right. And then we're gonna go like right here. Like right here. And then back to fanning. I'm not even fried. I promise I'm not. I just realized I've been doing it. Oh my god, here's the pretty side. I didn't know it was me. I didn't even... Stop fucking playing with me. But I was... Wow. It wasn't me all along. I just didn't know it. But now we know. I love this. I feel glamorous. I've never felt so glamorous in my life. Ever. Wow. Wow. This is a new thing. I'm sorry, my head all down and shit. I need to raise my back up. Wow. I've never done makeup before, clearly. Clearly, I've never done my makeup before. I don't know what I do. I've just been winging it before. I officially know how to do makeup. I officially have the secrets I'm willing to share. Let's figure it out together. Oh my god. This concealer is great. I'm having a great time. I'm gonna do a little more. Just a little bit more for, I have like a dark mark on my nose right here. And then I'm gonna use my fan one more again because wow. Huh? Am I trying too hard? Release my nigga. Release my nigga.
Saquon ain't do nothing. All he did was rob the gas station. Y'all acting like he robbed Walmart or something. Release my nigga. Release my nigga.
Tell me my makeup don't look different. I'ma fuck around. I'ma fuck around and bronze my nose up, make it look skinny. I'm feeling ambitious. I'm feeling ambitious. Let's set this shit. Set it now. Set it quick. I can't believe long ago, in the days of the beginning, when I used to not like this and not highlight anything, I used to just do my foundation. Maybe it's because I wasn't stressed out then and maybe I slept, but now bitch don't sleep. So highlighting just brings my face. It sucks me up. I'm gonna set my entire face using that powder. My skin looks amazing. Here we go, new bronzer. Don't we love new stuff? We do love new stuff. Gonna use my usual brush, the Morphe M530. I wish I had a clean brush to go in this clean bronzer, but alas I don't. So here we are. This is where everything comes together. If I can find the brush. That's not the brush. Oh, it actually was the brush. I think I'm gonna try to bronze my nose. Even though it always looks bad, I'm gonna give it a try. I'm gonna see what happens. Skinny nose, 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 skinny nose. Hey, it is kind of skinny, yeah. Yeah, this highlighter is better. Never mind. I love this highlighter. This is Laura Geller Gilded Honey. This is my main highlighter. That's what I usually use like every time. Tell me I'm not giving you something right now. I'm giving me something. I need to do my under eye. I'm gonna use this white liner and then try to put pink over it. Hopefully that turns out good. That's beautiful. I'll tell you what that is. That's beautiful. Wait for this mascara. You're not ready for the mascara. Tell me I'm not serving a look right now. I wish I had bottom lashes. Because I'm really giving something right now. I'm going to do the other eye off camera. Come back, we can do our lips. Take down the hair. Show the look. I'm still not high. I'm kind of mad. What did I do wrong? I fuck around and eat half this cookie again. Okay, actually before we finish up, I'm going to go ahead and finish up my eyes. Wow, I'm really proud of this look. I haven't done a creative look like in so long, when that was just like out of the blue. I didn't even plan to do all this. Like, this isn't even a lot, but like I feel like it's different than my usual. I'm gonna shut up. I'm gonna just do it. I'm gonna put this light pink in my inner corner, so it's like a highlight. Like, that would be really cute, cause I feel like this is a matte look on the eyes, so I just want to keep it matte by just adding a lighter pink as the highlight color. Wow. Do y'all know how to do makeup? Cause I do. I'm trying to fix it up though, but this do not look good. I can't even keep lying to myself. I was sitting there thinking like, yeah, I'm gonna fix this. I'm like keep adding shit thinking I'm gonna fix it up. I'm gonna fix where I messed up, but I don't know. I don't think this is the lip. I'm sitting here fixing like I'm gonna keep this lip. No, I really tried it. She not talking about nothing. Oh my god. This liner is just too cool tone. Unless this could be a look for somebody. For somebody, this could be a look. Could it be me? Is this my look? Let's take my hair down. Let's see if it's the look when I take my hair down. I don't know. The lip grew on me. She's different. She's experimental, but this whole look kind of is. So like, what the fuck? Y'all, I guess I am kind of high because I was like midway through, well, technically done, of undoing my hair from these flexi rods, and I was like, oh, I'm supposed to be recording a video. Okay, I feel beautiful. I don't know about y'all, but I feel great. I feel good. I'm gonna be cute on Instagram. I'll be back. So this is the look. I'm like so mad I'm not even high. Like, I think I just got so focused on the look that I was just like, I just want to look good. Like, I love makeup. I think this like my love for makeup got like rekindled just now, and maybe you will see more looks coming from me. I don't know. I really like this. At first I hated this lip, and now I love this lip. Like, love it. My hair looks so good. Like, I just feel my robe looks so good. I'll put the short tutorial. It's not really a tutorial, it's just what I did. I just bought some marabou feather boas. I bought 3 of them and just lined my entire robe with it. I'll insert some pictures of what I did here. Hopefully I have some pictures. I'm taking some pictures tonight, so wish me luck. Yeah, I feel so cute. Like, I'm sorry it wasn't that entertaining. I just feel so focused. I was like, I just have to make this look good. And I did like this waterline. It's crazy. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next video. Bye, beautiful.
I'm so in love.